morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 29th of April 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6 who've earned themselves a golden ticket this week. Amazing, and it has been an amazing week yet again, so well done everyone. So let's start this morning in year 3. In year 3, Mr. Pinner says our golden ticket winner this week is a fantastically hard worker. He's recently been trying to make his already excellent work even better by adding more detail. The history work he's completed on World War II is fabulous because of his determination to produce writing and illustrations to the best of his ability. He always reads at least 5 times a week and is improving all the time. His enjoyment and enthusiasm for learning makes him an absolute pleasure to teach and have in school actually. We are delighted to award him with his second golden ticket this year. Absolutely. Golden ticket goes to Oliver. Look at that, Oliver. Yes, thumbs up from Mr. Allen as well. Really well done. Massive smile on your face. I am so proud of you. Well done on earning your second golden ticket in year 3. You superstar. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today as well. Well deserved. Well done. In Mrs. George's class, this child has worked so hard this last term. He's been working hard to listen, put his hand up and give his ideas. He's always so enthusiastic to come into school and is always friendly to other staff. He really is, always with a big smile. He's kind, considerate and absolutely loves learning. He's been reading more than 5 times a week and has fantastic attendance at school. He really does, and he is amazing. Golden ticket goes none other than Robbie. Well done, Robbie. You absolute superstar. Big smile on your face. Big thumbs up from Mr. Allen. Well done, buddy. You really deserve this golden ticket. You work so hard. So do keep it up and enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. On to year 4. And Miss Barrett says this child is diligent, conscientious and a happy member of 4HB. They always listen carefully to instructions, put their hand up to contribute to lessons and work nicely with any partner. I was particularly impressed by their behaviour on the trip to the Castle Museum this week. They certainly were. That was on Wednesday. Well done. They did some brilliant artwork and acting and they put their hand up to share their knowledge about ancient Egypt. They always read 5 times a week, every week, and their reading record is exemplary. It really is. On top of all of this, their attendance is outstanding, and so it will come as no surprise that this is their second golden ticket of the year. Another second, so really well done. None other than Milana. Well done, Milana. You absolute superstar. You are amazing. Really well done. Keep up that amazing work. Keep being the amazing girl you are. I am so proud of you, so well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. On to Miss White says this person has a brilliant attitude. They can usually be found quietly getting on with whatever they should be doing. They read regularly and are working hard on answering times table questions as fast as possible. They're always happy to help their partner and often have their hand up to answer questions. They're incredibly modest and rarely seek approval or praise. They're just content with a job well done. They certainly are. Staff who got to know this person better at Kingswood have commented what a fantastic young person they are, and we agree, certainly. And congratulations on a second golden ticket again for none other than Alfie Jack. There he is. Absolutely amazing. You are Alfie Jack. Keep saying this. You are an amazing boy. Thank you for being so amazing. Thank you for working so hard. You really do deserve. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer now as well. So well done. And keep being amazing. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home. On to year 5, and Miss Arthur said this week we are giving our golden ticket to someone who does not always find accessing some areas of the curriculum easy, but they never give up. They absolutely never give up. They don't find all the learning easy, so well done to this child. This child always has a go and put 100% into everything they do, displaying an outstanding amount of perseverance. Over the year, this child's confidence has developed and she is now beginning to find her voice in the classroom as well. You should be very proud of everything you have achieved this year. You certainly should. Golden ticket goes none other than Cherry. Well done, Cherry. Massive thumbs up from me as well. Great smile. Look at you. Absolutely, really well done. Keep being amazing. Keep believing in yourself. Really well done. This golden ticket just goes to show how amazing you are. So well done. Enjoy taking it home with you today. You superstar. Miss Musselwhite says, if you look through this child's book, you would be absolutely amazed at the standard of everything they produce. And I have, and I am. So really well done. They really listen, take on board everything they're told in order to make improvements. Sincere, thoughtful and polite are other words that spring to mind when I think of this person. Nothing is ever too much trouble for them, and they happily just get on with everyone and any task. They are so, here's another one, conscientious. They are a delight to teach and deserve their second golden ticket this year. They certainly do. My golden ticket goes to Alicia. Well done, Alicia. And I've seen her this week as well. handing back a completed reading record and earning 10 house points. Well done, Alicia. You absolute superstar. Keep up being amazing and enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. Well done. On to year 6, and Miss Percy's golden ticket this week is awarded to someone who can only be described as a real all-rounder. This person is polite, conscientious, hardworking, motivated, kind, resilient. The list goes on, it really does. They're an exceptional attitude to school, and they understand that hard work pays off, often bringing in additional work from home. They certainly do. They have had excellent tendencies, Year 6 Refrigeration Club, and they make the most of all learning opportunities. They really do. They're a joy to have in the school, and they greatly deserve another golden ticket this year in Year 6. They certainly do. Golden ticket goes another. Nadia! Well done, Nadia. You're grabbing everything with both hands. It's a conversation I've had with Year 6s about really grabbing all those opportunities. You do that every single day. Well done, and thank you for being so amazing and being such a lovely girl. So thank you so much. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. Superstar. And finally, Mr. Davis, this week's golden ticket winner, has impressed the Year 6 team endlessly with their feverish work ethic and determination to do their best in preparation for SATs. Yes, they're coming up soon. As a reader, they have made wonderful progress while their confidence continues to grow every day. Not only that, they're highly regarded by everyone and always demonstrate the highest level behaviour in and out of school. They certainly do. They can be quite quiet in class, but are also often seen smiling and laughing, as well as consistently offering to help around school and treating every person with the utmost respect. They certainly do. This person could win the golden ticket most weeks and is an example for all of us. They certainly are. Golden ticket goes to Amber. There she is. Well done, Amber. Massive smile. Really well done. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer as well. So well done. And enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You absolute superstar. And just keep being amazing. Thank you. And that message is, yes, keep being golden. So all of these golden children, but actually all of you. I know lots and lots of teachers keep saying now, it could be any one of the children in their class. So well done to all of you who are taking these home today. And also, everyone, just keep being golden. That's what it all is. And what Mr. Allen's whole theme for his assembly was about sharing the load and just being amazing. So come on, everyone, let's keep being golden, including this weekend. And this weekend is a very special weekend. As you can see, look. Enjoy the long weekend. What do you mean, Mr. Allen? Well, Monday is a bank holiday, so we don't come back to school until Tuesday, the 3rd of May. So this weekend we are off for Saturday, Sunday and Monday. So really do enjoy the long weekend. Have a really fun time. Be golden as well, obviously. And until Tuesday, 3rd of May, we'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.